Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue of HTML5 file not found, or you have this browser issue. Your browser does not currently recognize any of the video formats available. Mostly this happens when you visit a video website or websites that are related to video format. So most of the times when you are watching a video, in the process the video does stop, pop-up just came onto your screen, HTML5 file not found, or your video does not currently recognize any of the video formats available. So click to visit our frequently asked questions or about HTML5 video. If you are having any of these challenges within your browser, so there are two options to this. Most of the times, depending on the website that you are, the problem could be from the website or the problem could be from your browser. If the problem is from the website itself, mostly they would have to figure that out and then replace the video for you to be able to watch it safely when watching videos from their site. But if the problem is from your browser, don't worry, I got you on this video. In 3 steps, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Now, first thing for us to do is that we just need to start with the basics by clearing our cache and cookies or browsing data on our browser. To do this, go to your 3 dots here and then come onto your settings. Now go onto your privacy and security. Just as you can see now, come here, you see here we have delete browsing data, so click on it and then you can see that because it's affecting you for a while, the problem is going to be persistent. Even if you clear, maybe let's assume that you clear 24 hours, that problem is still going to persist. So what I recommend is that you just select all time and then check all this browsing history, cookies and data sites, cache, images and file, download history or site settings. Once all these are checked, you just click on delete data. Depending on that data, it's going to take time. So what you just need, so just click on delete data. Once you click on delete data, it's going to clear these cookies, cache and browsing data for your browser to be free. And once you do these first steps, what you just need to do is that restart the browser and visit the website again. Try to watch the video. If the problem is fixed, then your problem is solved. But if this problem is not solved, the next option for us to do is to update your browser. To update the browser, just click on this 3 dots once again. Go to the settings. Now scroll down on your left side here, just scroll down. As you can see, we have about Chrome here. So click on about Chrome. Once you click on about Chrome, if your Chrome is not updated, it's going to automatically download the latest version of the Chrome browser. So after this, you relaunch the browser and then go to the website. Try to watch the video again. If the problem is solved, then great. But if the problem is still not solved, the next option we are going to be doing is disabling graphics acceleration. To disable this graphics acceleration, once again, go back to your settings again, click on the settings, and now once you go to your settings, now that we are in here, on your left side, just as you can see, so you click on system. Under system, you can see that we have here use graphics acceleration. What you just need to do is that you just have to turn it off. Once it's turned off, you just need to relaunch your browser. After the relaunch, I'm sure this problem is going to fix. That is just how easy and simple it is to fix this issue of HTML5 file not found when playing a video or in the process of playing the video. So guys, with these 3 solutions, I'm sure your problem is going to be fixed. And that is just how easy and simple it is to fix this issue of HTML5 video file not found. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, and if you have any challenges or suggestions, leave it in the comment section. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.